Dr. Manmohan Singh, India's 13th Prime Minister and the architect of its economic liberalization, passed away on December 26, 2024, at the age of 92. A trailblazing economist and statesman, Singh served as India's finance minister from 1991 to 1996, during which he introduced transformative reforms that transitioned the country from a closed economy to a liberalized market. His policies, including devaluing the rupee and reducing import tariff, revitalized India's economy and laid the foundation for decades of growth. As Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014, he became the first Sikh to hold the office, overseeing a period of significant economic expansion, with gross domestic product growth averaging 8.5% in his first term. Singh played a pivotal role in the 2008 US-India Civil Nuclear Agreement, which elevated India's global standing. His administration also launched key social initiatives such as the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (NREGA) and the Right to Information Act, aiming to improve rural livelihoods and governmental transparency. Despite challenges including allegations of corruption and policy paralysis in his second term, Singh's integrity and humility remain defining aspects of his legacy. Born on September 26, 1932 in Punjab, Singh was a distinguished economist with degrees from Cambridge and Oxford, and served in various academic and governmental roles, including as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. He is survived by his wife and 3 daughters, leaving behind a legacy of resilience and reform that continues to shape India's trajectory.